Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Your Google account name should match the name you want on Google Pay. Once done, open Google Pay, tap your profile photo, and go to Settings, Personal Info. You need a clear photo of your government ID and a recent selfie because Google uses them to verify identity. Make sure lighting is good and the ID edges are visible. Now begin the name change flow in the app. This gets you into the official verification steps immediately. Next, you enter the new full name and personal info and choose Edit Name. That's the action that triggers verification. Then upload the ID photo and your selfie. Google requires both to match, so clarity matters. Once uploaded, follow prompts. Confirm DOB, address, or other fields if requested, because missing data delays approval. Before you hit Submit, recheck spelling and spacing. You control speed here, but accuracy speeds approval and reduces back and forth with support. Finally, once submitted, you wait for Google to review the request, typically 24 to 72 hours, though times vary. If approved, your Google Pay name updates automatically. Make sure linked payment instruments reflect the change. If the request is rejected, the most common reasons are poor ID images or mismatched names, so correct those and resubmit. If you hit a persistent delay beyond 7 days, contact Google Pay support with screenshots of your submission. That speeds
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.